What's up, squad? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. It's your boy Trey. Just want to get into some things today. The world has been buzzing. I've been under the weather for a few days, and in that time, we've seen probably 50 tracks drop from Kendrick Lamar and Drake and their battle that's been going on. And they managed to kick out tons and tons of things, right? And somehow, some way, Travis Scott still has not dropped the University Red Jumpman Jack. People I've been seeing, some of my YouTube friends that have been doing marathons online, counting down for the site to go live, and this rumor that it's about to happen, is it today or yesterday, whatever. I'm like, whatever, man. I'm over it. They'll drop when they drop. If anybody's meant to get them, they'll get them. We know what that drop is going to be like anyway. A lot of people saying probably most of them are already backdoored out to wherever, to GOAT, to you name it. But I'm not here for that controversy. I do want to just talk about all the things that's been going on so far the last few days. We have seen the release. We're now past the release of the Air Jordan 4 Industrial Military Blue. And one thing I will say, we've seen a ton of restocks. I don't even know if it's restocks or just the initial stock, where stores and boutiques have been popping up with pairs. Nordstrom, Sneakers app actually did a restock yesterday morning, like early, like 6:30 in the morning. You know, just really one of those things that begs the question again, do sneakers ever really sell out? And, you know, we heard all the rumors about 1.2 million pairs, 1.7. People were like, nah, I don't think it's going to be that much, but there's a lot of these out there, man. So hopefully y'all not out paying secondary resale prices for these. There's a ton. I've seen more pairs dropping today across some sites. So I don't know. I love the shoe. Definitely glad to have it in the collection. How many pairs did you guys cop? I've seen a lot of people with doubles and triples. I mean, it's been kind of crazy. But I think people will be wearing these industrial military blues for the next 30 years, apparently. But happy to get those in hand. Again, the Travis Scott. We did get the mocha drop of that Jumpman Jack. Got some a video coming on the way because your boy was actually able to get a W on those. And I just wanted to talk today of another shoe that I just didn't want to get too far past, that I wanted to make sure I cover, because it is one that I'm happy to add to the collection. Not a Jordan at all. It's a Dunk, Nike Dunk, and it is the Nike Dunk Veneer, which is a part of the initial Ugly Duckling pack, right, from 2002, that did see a re-release in 2020. So if you did get those then, let me know down in the comments, you know, were these ones that you caught back in 2020? Did you have an OG pair from way back in the day, or did you cop this new pair that just dropped? So these just dropped within the last week, and I've actually seen some restocks today as of this filming, where this veneer colorway is still out there. A lot of places having full-size runs. So, you know, I think there's a lot going on with late shipments across the world, across the country for sure. I'm in the Baltimore area, and here we had the Key Bridge tragedy that happened that has slowed down a lot of supply chain, because that's a huge port, you know, for like automobiles, but a lot of other things, you know, kind of follow along that same trail as well. Sneakers could be a part of that, right? So there's a lot of places getting late shipments and a lot of things. But again, this is a shoe. This is they call it the Ugly Duckling pack, the co.jp dunks from back in the day, which consists of these, the veneer, the plum that just released probably, what, a month ago that I missed, and then the ceramic as well. And I think you can actually add the dusty olive to that family as well, but it's just a really nice kind of hairy suede dunk. It is a regular dunk, it's not an SB. Kind of gives you SB vibes, but I think you would definitely be, you know, pressed, or definitely step it up by adding like some SB laces, even the SB insoles if you can. These dunk insoles are just kind of flat. But either way, the shoe itself is colored. It kind of gives, I've heard people say, Joker vibes with the purple and green. I think it's a clean shoe, one that I wanted to add to the collection, because I just think it's a dope colorway. The whole pack I think is dope. But the construction of it, your typical dunk. Just a nice, very like light, you know, higher hair suede. Get a lot of suede movement on that. Just really nice materials. But the overall construction, this is a size 11, which I always go true to size, but my toes in here are not cramped, but there's not a lot of space. And I typically, probably because I'm so used to Nike SBs, where you get more padding, a little more space in the forefoot, These could be a little, maybe I could go up a half size. So if you're picking a pair up, you may want to consider that. They come with the regular dunk laces, just regular flat cotton laces. SB laces in these would be dope. Got a brown tongue. This is all vinyl mesh on the tongue itself. And everywhere else is just suede, man. That green, that purple, the brown. You got the white midsole and the purple outsole. And then around the back of the collar, you got purple with the green Nike. And you got brown around this, brown mesh actually kind of just like the tongue around this ankle collar portion. You got green inside and a green insole. So yeah, just a nice color, classic pack. My goal is to complete this pack. And of course, they did the Air Maxes as well, the ugly ducklings that have the ducks on the back of those. I don't have either one of those. I think it was the Honeydew, and the other was something melon. I can't remember. Honeydew, and I can't remember the other pair. But all, you know, the 3, 4 of the dunks plus the 2 Air Max, those are all dope, and they're dope, nice colors, like really nice fall shoes or summer even. But again, this being all suede, make sure you get you some protectant on these. Definitely hit up Rejuvenator or one of those brands that makes some good protectant spray. And that's about it. Just a dope shoe. These were what, $115. They would, you know, cop a pair of these through my network. But glad to get them. Glad to have these in hand. So again, the goal is to complete the pack. Let me know, is this your favorite pair out of the pack, or is it one of the others, the ceramic or the plum? And tell me what you think about them. All right, that's all I got for you today. We'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Got some big things on the way. And hit that sub up button on the way out. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.